Banh mi is more than just a sandwich, it's a delicious fusion of cultures. Originating from Vietnam, it combines a crispy French baguette with vibrant Vietnamese ingredients. Picture this, a warm, airy loaf filled with savory grilled meats, like pork or chicken, topped with fresh cilantro, pickled carrots, and daikon. The crunch of the veggies contrasts beautifully with the tender meat, creating a symphony of textures. And let's not forget the sauces. A drizzle of spicy chili or a smear of rich mayonnaise elevates each bite. Banh mi is not just a meal, it's a culinary adventure, reflecting Vietnam's history and its love for bold flavors. Whether enjoyed on a bustling street corner or at a trendy cafe, this iconic sandwich is a must-try for anyone looking to experience the heart of Vietnamese cuisine. Buffalo chicken sandwiches are a game-changer for any meal. Imagine tender, juicy chicken, coated in that spicy, tangy buffalo sauce, nestled between two slices of soft, toasted bread. The heat from the sauce is perfectly balanced by a cool, creamy ranch or blue cheese dressing, adding that extra layer of flavor. You can customize it too. Add crunchy lettuce, fresh tomatoes, or even pickles for a delightful crunch. And let's not forget the cheese, melted cheddar or pepper jack takes it to the next level. Whether you're grilling, frying, or baking the chicken, the key is to get that perfect crispy texture. Serve it with a side of crispy fries or a fresh salad, and you've got a meal that's not just delicious but also satisfying. Buffalo chicken sandwiches are perfect for game day, a casual lunch, or even a quick dinner. Dive in and enjoy the explosion of flavors. The classic club sandwich is a culinary masterpiece that perfectly balances flavors and textures. Picture this, layers of crispy bacon, tender turkey, and fresh lettuce, all nestled between 3 slices of toasted bread. The secret? A generous spread of creamy mayonnaise that ties it all together. Each bite delivers a satisfying crunch, thanks to the toasted bread, while the juicy turkey and savory bacon create a delightful contrast. And let's not forget the tomato, adding a burst of freshness. Traditionally cut into quarters and held together with toothpicks, it's not just a meal, it's an experience. Whether enjoyed at a diner or made at home, the club sandwich is a timeless favorite that never disappoints. So, next time you're craving something hearty, remember the classic club, simple, yet utterly delicious. There's something magical about the combination of grilled cheese and tomato soup. Picture this, golden, crispy bread, perfectly melted cheese oozing out with each bite. The crunch of the crust gives way to that gooey goodness, creating a symphony of textures. Now, dip that masterpiece into a bowl of rich, velvety tomato soup. The tangy tomatoes, seasoned just right, complement the savory cheese like a match made in heaven. This duo isn't just comfort food, it's nostalgia on a plate. Whether it's a rainy day or a cozy evening, nothing warms the soul quite like this classic combo. And let's not forget the versatility. You can spice it up with herbs, add a slice of avocado, or even throw in some bacon for an extra kick. Grilled cheese and tomato soup, simple, yet endlessly delightful. It's a timeless pairing that never fails to satisfy. The Philly cheesesteak is more than just a sandwich, it's a culinary icon. Originating in Philadelphia in the 1930s, this delicious creation features thinly sliced ribeye steak, sautéed onions, and melted cheese, all nestled in a soft hoagie roll. The classic choice is Cheese Whiz, but many locals swear by provolone or American cheese. What makes it truly special is the way it's prepared, grilled to perfection, with the meat seared just right, allowing those flavors to meld beautifully. And let's not forget the toppings. Some folks love adding peppers or mushrooms for an extra kick. Whether you're enjoying it at a corner deli or a food truck, each bite is a taste of Philly's rich history and culture. So, next time you sink your teeth into a cheesesteak, remember you're savoring a piece of American tradition.